Now we're going to look at multi-matching tasks. In this type of task, there will be a number of short texts, opinions, descriptions, recommendations, etc. And some questions or statements which you have to match to them. In this task, you're going to demonstrate your ability to find specific information in a text. The strategy for doing this type of reading task is quite different. We're going to start by reading the title, if there is one, and the instructions. This will tell us what the text is about. Now read the questions and underline the keywords or the most important ones. The next step is to read through the first section to see which question it answers. When you find information you think answers a question, read both the question and the text again carefully. Different texts may contain very similar ideas or information, which means that you need to read very carefully to make sure that it is saying exactly the same thing. So let's use the first section of the text to practice. Read the questions and underline the keywords. Have we underlined the same parts of the questions? Now read through the first section quickly to see which question it answers. Remember that when you find information you think answers a question, read both the question and the text again carefully. Different texts may contain similar ideas, so read carefully. Which says exactly the same thing as a question? Did you choose 0? The text says, we had priority, which means they were among the first to get on or to board the plane. So this is the correct answer. So to finish, let's go over some general tips for doing reading tasks. Remember that you do not need to understand all the words to understand the text. Unknown words are sometimes easier to understand if you look at the context. The questions are always in the order of the text. To help you identify the correct answers, underline keywords, phrases, etc. while reading. Don't get stuck on a question. If you think it's difficult, move on to the next question and come back and look at it again when you have completed all of the questions. Remember to answer all the questions. You won't lose marks for wrong answers. So even if you just guess, you still have a chance of getting the answer correct. Don't write 2 alternative answers on the answer sheet. They will both be marked wrong, even if one of them is correct. Remember to read the instructions for each task carefully. Use a pen. And don't forget to transfer your answers to the answer sheet. I hope you found this advice useful. Thank you.